Hello everyone, this is The Prodigy, and I'm coming to you with a quick email processing 3.0 and the advanced level and what the autopilot traffic software is actually going to be doing for you and your company. Now, I get this question a lot. A lot of people say, well, what does the software do? Why do I need the software? And why should I get the advanced level with the software? Okay, well, this is going to answer all your questions on what the software actually does. It generates tier 1 traffic. Now, this traffic is very highly targeted. I always want you to remember targeted traffic when marketing online, because a lot of people think of quantity instead of quality. And if you're thinking of quantity, then you can go on Google and type in buy website traffic and they'll give you a million views for 20 bucks or so. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to get a million sales, because of the traffic may not be targeted, or it may even be robot traffic. So what a lot of people fail to realize is you need top-notch traffic. Now, sites that actually offer this is Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, Facebook, paid ads, and more. And you're usually going to pay anywhere from $5 to $10 just for the click to come through. Now, that's not even a guaranteed sale, but that traffic, as long as you have someone there, it can guarantee you sales. Now, what the software actually does, it generates traffic from all these top search engine providers and paid marketing providers, and you're going to get a limited amount of this traffic for free, basically, because you're getting it with the advanced level. Now, this software is super powerful, guys. It took us about 2 years, and we put over $100,000 into this software, and it works exactly the way we're explaining it. Drives the traffic you need to succeed. Now, 50% of newbies fail because they don't understand how to drive traffic. So we've taken the hard work out of there with the advanced level. Now, coming in on our pro level, you can still make money within, the first 3 days, as long as you get to doing the manual marketing. It's just going to be more work on your end. But we do close all sales for you guys. Now, we make a 25% commission, but hey, out of $150 to $350, 25 isn't nothing to what you're going to be making. Plus, we're going to be working this as a team. So we've taken the hard work out of marketing, which is closing sales, which is driving traffic, with the advanced level, as all this is done for you. So within that first 24 to 48 hours, you'll start to see results guaranteed. Now, everyone out there, if you're looking for something that works, then you definitely found the right program, the right leader. I've been helping thousands of people succeed. I've helped thousands of people succeed. Been marketing since 13, 14 years old. I didn't see any success till 17, making my first 100 grand, being able to quit McDonald's, which was a blessing from God. But guys, now I'm 27 years old, and I've been a 7-figure earner the last 4 years now, going on 4 years. And I've helped thousands of people succeed and get out of situations you're probably in right now. The situations like can't pay a bill, don't have freedom with your family, about to be on the streets, don't have food. Stop worrying about that, guys. I'm here to change your life. I'm here to change the world one person at a time. So contact me today at 239-362-6591. Once again, I want to challenge you. Text or call me at 239-362-6591. And I guarantee you're going to get an answer for the question you have right away. Everyone out there, my website is godslifequotes.com. Also in the link in the description. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. May God be with you. Have a blessed day. And until my next video, this is The Prodigy saying, God bless.